But was he your first serious boyfriend?
No, he wasn't. No, he wasn't. I was going around with somebody else before I met him.
Non-filmy.
So, not filmy.
So, but this was your first big love?
Yeah.
Not even. She's thinking, is it?
Yeah, I mean, it was, yeah, definitely. I would say, I wouldn't say an epiphany hit me one morning, but it was definitely something that I knew would last, something that I knew would stay with me for a very long time.
And how do you make it work with both of you being in the industry and both of you doing extremely well and being on top of your game?
How do we make it work? The same way that we made it work before. It's been going on for a while now.
No, I mean from the beginning, how do you make it work? Because usually one person has to sacrifice their, at least career, to power the other person. In your case, it's definitely not happened.
No, not really. I don't think that anybody needs to sacrifice anything. As you have people who are working couples, as you put it, all through the world. I don't think that they've sacrificed too much for each other in that respect. But let me just put it this way, that yes, there were a lot of compromises that were made after we got married. And after my daughter was born, I could not expect him to sit at home with her. So, I mean, it was like I decided that, I wanted to do that. But that's what I wanted to do. And I wouldn't consider that a compromise or a sacrifice. It's something that I really deeply wanted to do. I had a baby because, I've been wanting to have a baby for a very long time. And I wanted to watch my baby grow. Why else have a baby?
Yeah, you don't want to miss out on that.
Exactly.
What about temptation? I mean, you're both spending a lot of time apart with nice, good-looking people that you get on with. What about temptation of that kind? How do you keep, the fidel part of your relationship going?
Well, I have no issues with it. I sound very stupid when I say this, and I don't know how many people will believe me on this point. But I really think that my husband is the most amazing guy in the world, and I truly haven't looked beyond him since I met him. So I know it sounds really corny, stupid, and call it whatever, but it's the truth.